Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's install motorcycle hand grips. So I recently decided to take the bar and mirrors off of my Triumph Bonneville and install the factory mirrors again. In doing so, it left the ends of the handlebars open and exposed. I had another set of grips and I figured, why not install them? Let's get into it. As you can see, these are not the factory grips. If I try to pull them off, they don't come loose. A method a lot of people used is compressed air. Simply blow air under the grip and it separates enough that you can pull it off. I have not used compressed air from a can, but I believe that it probably would work as well. Once I've pulled enough from the end, I stick the air nozzle near the inside and give it some air. It usually doesn't take too much and it slides right off. Putting the grips on can be sticky as well. Even before COVID hit, I was using hand sanitizer as a lubricant for the grips. As it's alcohol-based, it evaporates quickly. Apply a bit on the bars and a tiny bit on the inside of the grip. Then I spread it around. I want to state that if you're wanting to remove the factory grips, they are likely glued on. You might be able to work at them to get them off without ruining them, but I ended up cutting mine off lengthwise and then peeling them off. Then I use a twisting motion to get it on the rest of the way. Once the grips are on, make sure to straighten them and put the logo, if there is one, where you want it. I usually put it at the top. Also note that the two grips are not the same. One is specifically made to fit over the throttle tube and the other fits on the bare bar. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.